Hey guys, back again with a 1-minute beauty hack to make your life awesome in under a minute. So today I am going to tell you about the chamois, which is a natural or synthetic leather that is meant to buff your nails to a high sheen. Nails. So if you can kind of look at my nails, they're, I've got them at a medium length. They're not particularly shiny. You're going to take your chamois, and it's actually hard to find this particular version of it that fits under your hand, but this is my favorite version. And you're literally going to buff the nail bed. Now, if cruelty-free is a concern of yours, make sure you're getting a synthetic. Although the real version works as well. And this does basically two things to improve your nail health. It is drawing blood up into the nail matrix or bed, which helps grow your nails longer, and it protects you from using nail polish and nail polish products to remove said nail polish, which are very harsh and tend to damage your nails. Ooh, shiny. And there's your 1-minute beauty hack. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a wonderful day. And I hope they get your order right at Starbucks. Ciao.